Now let's move to the second part of the performance of Sufi Fakir, which is continuity of the first one, and now from Sur Ramkali, meaning the ascetics. So Ramkali is branch of Indian Sur Handol, and it is one of the longest surs. Bhitai admires in this sur the values of the nomads, ascetics who roam about the deserts and mountains and urge to avoid desires, sins, and material affiliations. Maybe many of our distinguished guests may be aware of this thing, that Bhitai, along with these ascetic yogis, traveled for about 3 years. And he went to different places along with these wandering yogis, and the most important center was the Ganjo mountain, and he went to Dwarka, Lakhpat, Hinglaj, Lahut, La Makan, and Jaisalmer etc. So let's mention two very important things before we go ahead. Two important things to know about Bhitai. Before I go further, that Bhitai's characters are mostly poor, from the class that does not possess material goods. And if there are rich characters in Bhitai, there are rich characters in Bhitai, say Dyach, King Hamir Sumro, the kidnapper of Marvi, Tamachi, the lover of Nuri, Mirza Izzat Beg, the rich merchant of Bukhara or beloved of Suni, Punhu, the prince of Kech Makran. They were from rich class, but to be the hero of Bhitai, they had to declass themselves. And how they declass themselves, we'll be talking further on this thing, and we know about the surs of Shah Bhitai, and further we will discuss on this thing. Second, so first the Bhitai is the poet of poor people actually. And the second, the narrator, the hero of Bhitai, the narrator in his most of the poetry is a woman. She is the lover, and the man enjoys to be the beloved who is sitting, waiting, static, and a woman is in the journey in search of beloved. Similarly, that physical and spiritual journey that woman takes on, similarly in Sur Ramkali too, the narrator is a woman. Mostly the narrator is a woman who has tested the company of the ascetic yogis. She was in their company, now they have left, and then she misses the association. And she says, Kadam kapdinja laga me lahut. Kadam kapdinja laga me lahut, janinsi yakut, auna jiyandi unariya. Then she says, Golya gundhya vaya veragi nikri. Golya ai gundhya vaya veragi nikri sobat ja sandhyana auna jiyandi unariya. She says she has nostalgia, and nostalgia most of the times when it is in love, it's unbearable. In nostalgia, she talks high about the yogis and ascetics, and this is the nostalgia about wisdom. It's not typical masculine lover, but this is nostalgia about wisdom. And she says that the yogis who possess the precious stone, they possess yakut, who have left. And they already have entered the higher stages of lahut. And she says, Auna jiyandi unari, I cannot live without them. And then further she says, the yogis who are at the higher stage, they have left. I search for them to rejoin them, to gain wisdom from them. I miss their association for the sake of wisdom and knowledge. Naki khanan panasi, nako sanan pan. Naki khanan panasi, nako sanan pan. Ehdo jan ohnyana. Aun jiyandi unariya. Nuri ay nari jogiada jahaname bari janbari aun jiyandi unariya. He says that they do not burden themselves with the worldly goods, worldly, material, sophisticated goods or commodities. Not only that, they negate their ego. They negate their self-love. They negate narcissism. And she says, I cannot live without them. And further she says that those are the yogis who have illuminating light of love inside, and the yogis who have illuminating fire of love or ishq inside. And she says, the yogis who burn themselves and lighten the world I will not live without them. Aunaji and the Unaria. So now coming to Sur Ramkali, that the narrator of woman, now see that what Bhitai Sufi faqirs are telling, that how the narrator, woman narrator, tells about the yogis and sannyasis and their association.
वायदा पढ़ूं वजाए वेराग काल कुही विया का पढ़ी वजाए वेराग सामी सफ़र हलिया दिल खे ॾेई दाग वजाए वेराग काल कुही विया का पढ़ी पूजो वठी पूजा तन माता मुंहिंजो माग वजाए वेराग काल कुही विया का पढ़ी उते अब्दुल लतीफ़ जे उथी जोगी जाग वजाए वेराग काल कुही विया का पढ़ी
ओ तू अला
हथ खणियो ख़ुदा जी रहमत ॾे मुंहिंजा दियो ख़ैर करी जंहिंमें शिर न शैतान मुश्किल आसान अमुनी माल कलमो ज़मान जंहिंजा जहिड़ा मोचारा मक़सद तंहिंजा तहिड़ा हासिल करी मुहाबे पंजनि तन जे जावे सां ख़ैर कजी ने कखनि बचंजो ख़ैर करी मुहाबे पंजनि तन जे सदाई आबाद कजी मुहाबे हुसैन साबरे जे पी फुकरा जमात संगत भार उनजे कखनि बचंजो ख़ैर करी जान बि तूं जॾो हई शान शऊर से मुते कर मुजाबरी तो तुसी ते दो ही कामिल कम केॾो जे नवाज़ी निगाह से मुजादी जंजा जहिड़ा मुचारा मक़सद तंजा तहिड़ा हासिल करे मुहाबे पंजनि तन जे सदाई का अंब आबाद हुजनि मुहाबे हुसैन साहबनि जावे साहब खे आबाद कजे मुहाबे हुसैन साहबनि जेके बि ॿिया फुकरा जमात आया आहिनि उनजे बि कखनि बचनि जो ख़ैर करे मुहाबे पंजनि तन जे पाए पांत गिचे में अंगण जे अचनि साईं संधा तन मतिलब मिड़ो ई करी पाए पांत गिचे में अंगण जे अचनि साईं संधा तन ॾुखंदा दूर करी बिस्मिल्लाह रहमान रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन रहमान रहीम मालिक यौमिद्दीन या कनाब्दो या कनस्तईन इहदिना सिरातल मुस्तकीम सिरातल लज़ीन अनअमत अलैहिम गैरिल मग़ज़ूबि अलैहिम वलद्दालिन आमीन ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह मुहम्मदुर